If you're experiencing server timeout issues in Baldur's Gate 3, you can follow these steps to help improve your connection and reduce the likelihood of timeouts. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online games that could interfere with your connection to the server. Step 3. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, switch to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and can provide a better gaming experience by reducing latency and packet loss. Step 4. Adjust network settings. Access your router settings and look for quality of service QoS options. Prioritize gaming traffic to ensure that your gaming device gets the necessary bandwidth to maintain a stable connection. Step 5. Change server region. If the game allows it, try changing your server region to one that is closer to your location. This can help reduce latency and improve your overall connection to the game servers. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your connection and reduce server timeout issues in Baldur's Gate 3. Happy gaming!